Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download the Opera GX on your computer. All what you do, go for Opera GX on the search and then go for the first link, and I want to go through download Opera GX. It's gonna be downloading here. I will have it to wait very some seconds. So after that, I'm gonna be open it. I'll then go for accept and install. Accept. It's gonna be having the downloading phase. I was gonna be skip it in order to speed up the video. So guys, after the installation phase, it's gonna be having this pop-up, which is the importing phase of the Opera GX. Here you're gonna find the browser itself. You need to go through it and so on, and here is the importing of the welcome to Opera GX, which is I need to choose the themes. I will go for next, the background, the Twitch or Discord. There's gonna be having Discord as one. I will go for next one, next phase. There is Opera 1 the mobile. I hope you like the video of how downloading the thing. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel, which is the most important point, and goodbye.